flames had barely been extinguished when protesters gathered outside Al Hussein Hospital in the southern city of Nasiriyah. Crowds chanted the revolution will take place and burned tires in front of the mayor's office. They accuse authorities of corruption and neglect after a fire in the hospital's COVID ward, believed to be sparked by an exploding oxygen tank, trapped dozens of people inside.
This catastrophe has left me speechless. It looks like Iraq is destined to suffer anguish and calamities.
The Prime Minister suspended the hospital's director along with the city's health and civil defense managers. But it's not enough to quell the anger of Iraqis. The tragedy comes just 2.5 months after another fire on a COVID ward in Baghdad killed over 80 people. Sparked by the explosion of poorly stored oxygen tanks, it led to widespread anger and the resignation of Iraq's health minister. This time, hopelessness has set in.
The whole state system has collapsed, and who has paid the price? The people inside here. We don't know what to do. When we protested, they called us mobs. They said we were members of political parties. They called us corrupt. What else can we do? May God find us a solution.
Decades of war and corruption have left Iraq's healthcare system completely run down. The country has struggled to contain the coronavirus and is currently in the middle of a new surge in cases.